NASA has sent spacecraft to every planet in the solar system. So which planet do you think NASA has explored the most? Earth. That's right, Earth. Why? Because our planet is the one place in the entire solar system where we can live. Yes, astronauts have been to the moon. And one day, maybe not as far away as some might think, astronauts will step foot on Mars. And someday, maybe even visit other places in the solar system. But those of us who live on Earth, we're staying put. So since most of us are gonna be here for a very, very long time, we need to take better care of Earth. And one way to do that is to keep track of what's happening to our planet, so we can understand how it works. The atmosphere, the water, the ice, the land, and all living things. The more we know, the better we can cope with the changes occurring. And that's a good thing, because there's no place like home, sweet home.